I know this lot of fighter, and they have been. I remember a lot of fighter has been actually sacrificed their life for our independent. Well, we wanted to say that I wanted to say the happy victory of them. I hope God bless to them. Well, and a lot of guys, people, child, students, they are actually moving to the politics. I see a lot of people actually moving to the politics. I think that's not the right things. This is on my opinion. I am not saying that you are perfect. I'm not saying you don't have to do that. I'm like, on my opinion, as a human being, I can actually give opinion, right? So I think this, you can, if you wanted to help this country, you can help in other ways. You don't have to always move into politics and think about it, be something, right, on that, becoming some president or be something on that. You can becoming like more than that, and you can actually help the country. You can becoming lawyer, so you can help the country. You can becoming a doctor, so you can help this country. You can becoming really well educated, be be knowledgeful, so you can help this country. You can teach to the kids about the history. You can teach to these kids a lot of things, so you can be help to the country. That doesn't always mean just for fighting. I think that is, but there are some different things also you can help. I think people only thinks is helping for fighting for the country. I think that's right, but we also need like knowledgeable person in this our country in Bangladesh. So but I think yes, we do actually fight for our country. We will fight for our country, but still we don't need a doctor, we don't need a like engineer, we don't need other things. They are exist, right? So we wanted to the best of the best of the best engineer in our country in Bangladesh, whoever actually study for computer science, becoming the perfect on top of the 1%, becoming number one in Bangladesh or in our this old. So you can show that to all this Bangladesh actually exists. This is also you're helping our country. So this is not only this politics. Yes, everybody thinks this politics only the help for public. I think in my opinion this is kind of business is going on there. I wouldn't say that. I'm not a perfect, I don't know about anything politics. I don't want to go into that. I'm just a normal human being as a guy. As a today is a happy victory of the Bangladesh. That's the reason the words is coming from my mouth and in my brain also actually stucking. So I just said it. And I don't know how many people is gonna watch my live stream or the video, because there are none is there who actually wanted to watch my video, because most of them they will say like, we fight for our language, why are you speaking English? I guess বাংলা ভাষাটা যে আমরা বাংলা ভাষার জন্য ফাইট করছে আমি জানি, অ্যান্ড ভাষাটা মেন রিজন ছিল না। মেন রিজন ছিল যে আমাদের ফ্রিডমের প্রয়োজন ছিল, ফ্রিডমের জন্য। অ্যান্ড ইন অর্ডার টু মেক এট দিস ইন্টারন্যাশনাল, সো বাহিরের যারা কান্ট্রিতে আছে, অবভিয়াসলি আমার কোনো ভিউয়ার্সই নেই, বাংলাদেশেই নেই, তাহলে দেশের বাহিরে কে দেখবি। if I feel more comfortable while speaking in English. I did practice more in English, so I feel more comfortable speaking in English, and there is nothing bad and insane like in English to happy victory of Bangladesh. There's nothing bad, I guess so. So that doesn't even matter. My main point is, if you wanted to help this our national, if you wanted to help our country, if you wanted to help this human being, if you wanted to help in our brother, sister, or whoever in our country lives, so if you really wanted to help, you can help in lot of way. You just have to know the way you are helping. Imagine that you are teaching 1,000 students how to speak English. You are helping this country, you are giving them knowledge. Don't always think that this is my business, if I actually teach them I can get money. This is not helping our country or national or the human being. This is actually going for your like self or your selfishness. This is coming into your selfishness. So as they're not trying to do that. As I am a kid, I can say that I'm a kid, I'm a learner, I'm a student. I don't know nothing about in this all. You can say I know nothing about this politics. I know about nothing. I'm just learning, I'm just learner. I'm just saying in my opinion. I don't have to be perfect to say that. I know that nobody is perfect. As a beginner, I'm not actually any political. I do not do that. I am not into that. I'm on my way. I'm learning, but a lot of things I'm learning, and still I'm learning. I will learn. I'll be better. Well, I don't even know how to speak very well English. I don't even know how to say perfectly speaking to the people. I don't even know when the 10 people around me, if I can actually speak or not. So this is not about that. Today, as a happy victory of the Bangladesh, 16 December of the Bangladesh 2025. That's the reason I'm speaking. You can ask me why are you speaking English. I feel more comfortable as we gain freedom, right? That not about only languages. Yes, I know that Pakistani asked, Pakistani was asking to speak in Urdu. So this is the first step is start, right? I know that. This is the first step is start. I know that. But that is not about this. This is about the freedom. The the way they actually torture us. They actually trying to raping us or whatever. I don't want to go into details and a lot of history. There are a lot of things is we can talk about it, but we don't want to talk about this today. And this is just in my opinion. So if you really wanted to help this our national or nation, so you can help. There are a lot of way to help. You can becoming nurse, you can becoming an army, you can becoming a good police officer, you can be a really good teacher, Bangla, English, Hindi, whatever. Like as I'm saying, like you can becoming very good teacher also. You can help us. So the students will learn, the guys, the people who know. I think this is the most important things is like as in our actually this generation we have a problem is we have really easy to have drugs. So we can actually take it and we don't take it, so we lost our mind. So we don't have to study, we don't think about other things, we only think about the drugs. And we don't want to get the knowledge, we don't want to know what is the knowledge is. Second things is in our generation we think the certification is the knowledge. So if I have a HAG certification, they think like okay, I have done intermediate, so I know everything I supposed to know it. If a person who has been done one PhD on English, they think okay, this guy know every single word of English. I don't think the certification actually a knowledge. Knowledge is that on yourself how you get it, right? Okay, I know this what I'm talking about. I think I hope you understood. I hope you understood what I'm saying. Well, I know that I shouldn't talk in English, but well, this is like I speak or I spoke because who are really well educated, they can understand what I'm talking about. They knows what I'm saying. So the message I'm sending that doesn't go to the wrong person, even though who has a like in Bangla words we can say the alphabet the bhayankar. So so I don't wanted to send my text or message to the wrong person. That's the reason I am speaking in English. One second is more comfortable when I speak in English in order to actually give a speech or something. I feel really more comfortable because I actually practice when I was in living in other countries. So I was practice in English, so I learn. So in order to speak in English, I feel really I mean more comfortable, and I actually can speak about anything I wanted. If you actually ask me to give a pitch in Bangla, so that is gonna be really kind of difficult for me, but I feel this is a more easy way to say it, easy way. And what else we can talk about it, what else is coming in my mind? There's nothing else I can think about it. I think this generation is really not, they have really wonderful knowledge, I guess. I think they just have to I am also one of them. I'm a kid. I can say that I'm a kid, I'm a student, I'm a learner. I'm saying again, I have no idea about this all. I don't know politics, I don't know any history, I don't know about any English, in my opinion. And say third, I can say this is the words. If I have said some words you see which is wrong, please forgive me. As a learner, I can say, I can speak, I can give to the people my opinion. If someone actually watching me also, I could say thank you so much if you watch it. Please give us a subscribe and actually give me a comment also. I would like to know it. Well, there are a lot of great people in our country. I don't wanted to say none of their name because that will be matter. That will be really matter. So I'm just talking about as a human being. I'm not part of that. I am not part of this politics, so I don't want to go into that. What I'm talking about is if you wanted to help our country, in our country or Bangladesh, if you really wanted to help, just becoming something better than everybody, then help the country. Just be like, if you wanted to be YouTuber, be one of the best of the best of the best YouTuber in our country, then help the country. If you wanted to becoming a singer, okay, sing the song, musician. If you wanted to becoming the best of the best one, and you can help the country. If you want to becoming a doctor, just best one, becoming one. If you want to becoming a nurse, becoming one. If you want to becoming engineer, becoming one, you can help our country. If you wanted to becoming lawyer, you can becoming a lawyer and you can help the country. But there is only twist, only one twist is that be honest with yourself and the people. I know there are some lot of corruption is there in our country. So the corruption actually destroying all most of them, all the rules and regulation in our country. I mean, I guess if we actually reduce the corruption, and if we actually think about our country perfectly, we can be better. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching. If you watch, I'd say really thank you so much. I know that if you watch, you know very well English, so you are the only one who actually watch my video. It could be one person, could be non-person, so that doesn't matter. The matter is I give opinion to the people, right? I'm a starter, I'm a learner, I am student. You can say whatever you wanted, whatever in your opinion in to come, so you can comment me. You can say I speak broken English, that's even totally fine. You can say whatever you feel like. There is nothing I can say. Well, I will say it. I will say thank you so much. So again, happy victory of Bangladesh. I guess this is like 55 or 53 of, I have no idea, I didn't check it out. Okay, thank you so